Hello dear students, welcome to Geography class, chapter number 2, our environment for class 7, part 5. In previous part, you have learnt about environment. What is environment? Environment, it's made up of our surroundings where we live at. So, in this environment, is presents biotics and abiotics. Biotics. So, biotics means what? So, some living organisms, some living things present in the living things in biotic diet. So, abiotic is present here non-living things. So, it is known as abiotic. Some examples of biotic: plants, animals, human beings, microorganisms, etc. And abiotic things they are non-living things. You know that some paper, pen, this, whatever our surrounding is, they non-living things. So, they all are the example of abiotic. And also you have completed the environment is divided into two categories. So, one is natural environment. So, other is human environment. In natural environment, what is natural environment? So we get from the nature naturally. By example, living things. Okay. So here coming that plants, animals, microorganisms, human beings. These all coming in natural environment. Also we have got there means non-living things also natural environment. By example, air, water, land. These all are natural things. These are the natural environment coming, these non-living things. Okay. And human environment. Human environment is coming here man-made things. So here man-made, here so many things here. By example, bridge, road, park, schools. Okay. So many things he built there, he made there. So these all are coming in human environment. And also you have learnt in this chapter about components of the environment. So in the components of environment, we have learnt some natural. They are dividing in three categories: natural, human made and human. Some natural things are coming here: hydrosphere means water, lithosphere, it's a land, atmosphere and air. And also this all combines in biosphere. These all consist of a component of environment in nature. And also second things also we have learnt here, human made things means man made things. By example, bridges, schools, industries, parks, so many things are coming in human made things means human made. And also third category is there here in component of environment, human. So humans also coming in component of environment means by example individual, some individual persons. I am individual, I am coming in human environment. Okay. So afterwards his family, and afterwards he coming in community, religion, his religion, and afterwards he is going education, economy and political situation. So here all peoples are doing their jobs. Okay, so they all are coming in human. So this like we have completed in previous part component of environment, and today I am explaining about some natural environments. See a student, natural environment. The natural environment dividing in four categories. See a student. So first one is coming here atmosphere. First one is coming here atmosphere. Okay. Second one hydrosphere. Hydrosphere. And third one lithosphere. Third one is what, student? Lithosphere. And fourth one biosphere. biosphere. So these all are the natural environment. So natural environment dividing in 4 categories. First one is atmosphere, second one is hydrosphere, and third one is lithosphere, and fourth one is biosphere. See here student, I mentioned here in this diagram, you can see here. So it is the upper part is the atmosphere. So upper part is what? Atmosphere. And lithosphere, some mountains, hills, plateaus, valleys, these all are coming in lithosphere. Okay, and the part of hydrosphere, some rivers, seas, oceans, some water bodies, all water bodies on the earth's surface are consisting in hydrosphere. And biosphere, so it is the mix up of this all, atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere, so surrounding our environment. So living organism also, non-living organisms also consisting in biosphere, consist of biosphere. So it is about natural environment. So natural environment is dividing in 4 categories. One is atmosphere, second is hydrosphere, and third is lithosphere, and fourth is biosphere. So this like the natural environment dividing in these 4 categories, you can see in this diagram. Okay, so these all parts I am explaining one by one. So first I talk about atmosphere. What is atmosphere? So atmosphere is a mixture of gases present in the atmosphere. In atmosphere, it's present here. What is present here in atmosphere? It's a mixture of gases and air. So the atmosphere is consist of mixture of gases and air. Okay. So which gases are consist here? See here. Actually the earth's surface means it have the atmosphere have the, so it kept in the place of by the gravitational pull and the air around us. In this earth's surface, the air is our around us. And in this atmosphere, it's a present mixture of gases and air. See here student, in this atmosphere, nitrogen 98% nitrogen present in the atmosphere, and this nitrogen is essential to the soil fertility. This nitrogen is essential to the soil fertility. This nitrogen present in our atmosphere, how much percentage is there? 98% atmosphere present in our this atmosphere, and it is essential to the soil fertility. To the soil fertility. And next you can see here student, oxygen. So next gas is coming here, oxygen. So oxygen present in our atmosphere, 21% oxygen, and this oxygen is essential to our life, survival of life. It's a very important to in our life playing the role, oxygen. Okay, and also other gases are there here, carbon dioxide. So this carbon dioxide also present in our atmosphere. It is also essential to the plants, means it is a process of photosynthesis. Okay, so they taking the help carbon dioxide. The plants are taking the help of gas carbon dioxide, and they released oxygen. So in 21% oxygen present in our atmosphere. So carbon dioxide is present in 0.04%. 0.04% carbon dioxide present in our atmosphere. Okay, student. So here about atmosphere. So once again I repeating this atmosphere. What is atmosphere? So atmosphere is means it is a mixture of gases, and also it present air. So our surroundings, air is our surroundings. Okay, and it has the gravitational force. Atmosphere has the gravitational force. Okay, and some in this atmosphere some gases are there: nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide. So many gases are present in the atmosphere. Also see here, nitrogen 98%, so it is essential to the soil fertility, and oxygen is 21%, it is help to our survival of life, and carbon dioxide 0.04%, so present in the atmosphere. So it is also essential to the process of photosynthesis. Okay, so this like it is the atmosphere. Afterwards, so this atmosphere, so Earth's atmosphere dividing into 4 layers. That 4 layers are consisting here. See here, student, 4 layers are there. So it is the Earth's surface. See here, it is the Earth's surface. Okay, and afterwards this atmosphere, in this atmosphere dividing in 4 categories. See a student, first layer is there now here. So this layer is troposphere. This layer is troposphere. Okay, and above this layer, mesosphere. See, some layers are there here. See a student. Okay, so it is the troposphere, mesosphere, stratosphere is coming second layer, stratosphere, okay, and afterwards coming mesosphere, and afterwards thermosphere, and afterwards see here last layer is there, student. So that is exosphere. So this like the atmosphere dividing, so this like these all layers. Okay, so you know, student, so first layer is the troposphere, second one stratosphere, third one mesosphere, and fourth one thermosphere, and fifth one exosphere. So these are the layers of the Earth's atmosphere. Okay, student, see here, student, here completed your today's topic, natural environment. It's a part 5 is completed here. So in this part what you have learnt? You have learnt about the natural environment, means you have learnt so many spheres are there, so many layers are there. The natural environment is dividing in so many categories, that is dividing in actually 4 categories. See here, atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere. Okay, so atmosphere is consists of air, lithosphere is consists of some mountains, plains, valleys, these all presenting in the lithosphere, also rocks. And hydrosphere, it consists of water, some water bodies. And also biosphere, so consists of living organisms and non-living organisms. So it is a very close to these all things. Okay. So afterwards, we have learnt in today's topic, in today's part, some layers of the Earth's layers of the means atmosphere of the Earth's surface type. Some layers are dividing that in atmosphere. So that dividing in 5 categories. One is troposphere, second is stratosphere, and third is mesosphere, and next is thermosphere, and next one is exosphere. Okay, in next class I am explaining about in detail these all parts. And today completed here today's topic, natural environment. So about atmosphere is started here. So next part I am explaining about in detail these all topics. Okay, so here completed today's class. So next class I am continuing in next period. Thank you.